is a combination of omega fatty acids, coenzyme Q10, phospholipids, astaxanthin and piperin. Let's know how each ingredient would be helpful for us. Firstly, omega fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are not produced naturally. It is acquired through dietary sources and supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids are comprised of alpha-linolenic acid, eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. It plays a major role in our body for the contraction and relaxation of muscles, blood clotting, digestion, male and female fertility, growth and movement of calcium and other substances in and out of cells. Apart from this, omega-3 fatty acids are also utilized by the major organs of our body like heart, brain, liver and also joints. Phospholipids. They are a specialized group of lipids performing a variety of functions. Usually, a human cell is surrounded by a cell membrane, which are made of a special type of lipid molecule called a phospholipid. How these are useful for us? Phospholipids has a hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. Whenever fat is attached to these phospholipids are easily absorbed in our body. As you all know, human body comprises 70% of water. So absorption of fat in a human body is difficult. Rather, it deposits as adipose cells or adipose tissues. In order to absorb fatty acids, phospholipids are useful to us. It is also beneficial for the cognitive function and also liver health. Thus, phospholipids are very much beneficial for the absorption of omega fatty acids. Coenzyme Q10. It is a fat-soluble vitamin-like substance which is present in our body. To perform any kind of work, whether it is inside the body or any physical activity, we do require energy. Our dietary sources would give us 5% of energy and the remaining 95% of the human body's energy is generated by coenzyme Q10. How do we know that we are deficient in coenzyme Q10? If you feel lethargic and if your energy level is low, then your coenzyme Q10 levels are on lower side. Yes, so you need coenzyme Q10 whenever you feel lethargic. Not only this, it also cleans the body of harmful free radicals. Highest concentrations of coenzyme Q10 are found in the organs that require the most energy, like heart, liver, kidneys and brain. Coenzyme Q10 is also beneficial in male infertility. It helps improving sperm quality and it also improves blood circulation, which may be helpful in PCOD and PCOS conditions. Along with these three major ingredients, we have also used antioxidants. I have been always mentioning about the free radical damage which leads to oxidative stress and that causes cell damage. In order to reduce the free radical levels and also to reduce oxidative stress, we require antioxidants. And here in this combination of Win Omega Q10 Plus, we have used both astaxanthin and piperin in order to reduce the free radicals. Together, this combination will be helpful for us to lower triglyceride levels, reduce high blood pressure, prevent cardiovascular diseases, keep our bones healthy, helps in protecting our body from type 2 diabetes, eases pregnancy complications, promotes weight loss, healthy skin, hair and nail, beneficial in both male and female infertility, migraine headaches, neurodegenerative disease symptoms. Dosage of the product would be 1 or 2 capsules per day after meals. For more information, please visit www.winfinite.com. Thank you. Wish you infinity of wealth and health.